Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x minus 2 minus 2 power y minus 2 is equals to 2016 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking left hand side and right side 2 power x minus 2 power y minus 2. So here I'm going to use the quotient rule of exponent, that is x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So I can write it as 2 power x divided by 2 power 2 minus 2 power y divided by 2 power 2. And 2 power x divided by 4 minus 2 power y divided by 4. So I'm going to replace this. So 2 power x divided by 4 minus 2 power x y divided by 4 is equals to 2016. Now I am removing the fractional part by writing the numerator together. So if I multiply both sides by 4, so we can eliminate this and the value of 2 power x minus 2 power y will be 8064. Now I'm assuming x is equals to, in terms of y plus a. So let's substitute the value. So 2 power y plus a minus 2 power y is equals to 8064. So 2 power, I'm using the exponent property, that is x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So we can write it as 2 power y times 2 power a minus 2 power y times 2 power 1 is equals to 8064. This is times 1. If I'll take 2 power y as common, so 2 power a minus 1 is equals to 8064. Now comes to 8064. If I'll do the prime factorization of 8064, so we can write it as 2 power 7 times 63. So if I'll write it here, 2 power y bracket 2 power a minus 1 is equals to 2 power 7 times 63. So if I'll compare both sides, so 2 power y will be equal to 2 power 7 and 2 power a minus 1 is equals to 63. So case 1 is when 2 power y is equals to 2 power 7. If base are equal, that means their power are also equals, the value of y will be 7. Now case second, 2 power a minus 1 is equals to 63. So 2 power a is equals to 63 plus 1, 64. So value of 2 power a, 64, we can write it at 2 power 6. So if base are equal, their power are also equal. So value of a is 6. Now we know that we substitute it. X is equals to y plus a. So x is equals to 7 plus 6. So x is equals to 30. The value of x and y will be 13 and 7. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.